Can we start?
All right, please proceed.
Okay, very good afternoon, Professor Jim and the team members. We are representing from Group 4, including team member Mr. Kalidasan is our leader, AM Naidu, Mr. Thanen, and myself, Samiappan Kandiar. Okay, firstly, I would like to express my gratitude to Professor for providing us with the assignment title, which I greatly expand our knowledge, and I conclude my section. Okay, I'm briefing on this Platitude Berhad is our selection. This is a public listed company, co-hold interest of property development and property investment and hospitality. Established in November 6, 2000, and Platitude Group has a advisor portfolio, earning a solid reputation in the real estate sector. In 2001, it expanded into hospitality, now owning over 2,000 hotel rooms across Malaysia, South Korea, and Japan, demonstrating significant growth and diversification. Okay. Platitude Berhad primarily focus on residential and commercial and hospitality developments, but aiming to deliver quality projects aligned with the modern living and urban dynamic. Ecotrust in KL, Malaysia, branches across the country, like Singapore, Australia, company caters device market demands. In its fiscal year 2023 annual report, Platitude Berhad expects strong financial performance after tax earning about 58.6 million, significant notable growth compared to the previous year, with over 30 completed projects and ongoing as April 24, supported by a dedicated workforce over 500 employees. The company remains committed to sustainability, innovation, customer satisfaction. Okay, Platitude Bus envision a promising future in Malaysia and beyond. Okay, this I'm skipping up. Okay, per our group assignment, we had highlighted that the selected topic is quality workmanship, any delay in construction, safety concern, cost, and employees that we are defined as major issues in this Platitude property. Okay, first I'm elaborate on quality of workmanship. First thing is about this one. We are brief on major problems and also brief the explanation as per requirement. Structural defect, crack, like uneven flooring, inadequate structural support, which compromise the stability and safety of the building, which considered serious, which happened somehow in 2021, 2023 in all property SPKL and JB. Finishing problem, poor quality materials and improper installation cause defect such as peeling peel and misaligned fixture at this project in Penang, not noticeable in Penang, resulting customer complaints, repair issues and increased costs. Another part is electrical and plumbing issue is caused by this faulty wiring, plumbing leaks, and inadequate ventilation, a common workmanship, I think, in every properties. So it's a part of safety and required costly repairs. Timelines and project management where they cannot complete the project according to the time frame set up. Okay, delay in construction is caused by poor coordinating among the subcontractors, inadequate resource allocation resulting in the project overruns. And delay in construction is caused by this weather-related setbacks, significant delay due to these weather conditions such as prolonged periods of heavy rain. Supply chain distribution, okay, is more related to material shortage, impact the timeline, causing delays delivery, particularly during a peak demand. Labor shortage is a very common in the Malaysian market now. It's also same to the Platitude property. It's caused by high turnover, hindering construction process, worker sickness, especially in 2021, 2022, and 23, especially on the COVID. Safety concern, okay. Fall hazard, which we are categorized as a workplace attitude, okay. Fall hazard encountered during construction activities. There was a few cases was reported in between of 21-23, which involving foreign workers like Myanmar, Nepalese. Electric safety is improper electric wiring, equipment installation, post-risk electric shock fire. It's happened in a few projects, and the unit is not many, but it also contribute to these concerns in our assignment. Chemical expo is more related when they do the painted work. Okay, and indicated ventilation, improper handling of hazard and subsistence, and lack of PPE. The workers not wear the PPE. And the few workers we are identified but no data 2021 2022 admission, but not a major issue. We are talking about the cost, material price increase. Material price increase, significant cost increase because of a currency fluctuation, construction material price getting increased, especially steel and cement. It's also global supply issue. Is caused by the war between Ukraine and Russian war. Labor shortage and wage inflation is caused carpentry, plumbing, electric work very evident, very difficult to get. It's relevant to organization values. Regulatory compliance cost is also organization value. Regulatory compliance include permit fees, because we understand recently government for the last 2 years, they have prohibited foreign workers to Malaysia. So it also a part of the challenges facing up by them. And talk about the employee unsafe working condition. Employee face safety hazard like inadequate fall protection. You cannot avoid in the construction site. And poorly maintained equipment is one of factor. Accident training not enough also another factor. It means the safety officer maybe not done his job. And heavy workload. Employee face excessive workload time deadline, because once delay because raining, they have to recovery plan. When they come to this recovery and contingency plan, it calls stress, fatigue, and burnout. Low salary also part of that. Poor communication between foreigners and the local, causing some of the tasks is a barrier or obstacle for them to be handled. Okay, I'm conclude my section by describing the major problem faced by Platitude. I hand over to my team leader, Mr. Kalidasan, to elaborate on the next topic.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sam. Right, very good day to Prof. So, if our group appointed as a consultant, then below the steps I'm going to elaborate. Okay, so the purpose of organizational diagnosis is to establish widely shared by understanding of a system, and based on upon then the understanding determine whether the change is desirable, is it needed or not. It's given by Dr. D. Dutta, right? So when I apply organizational development techniques intervention, it comes to 4 or 5 sensitive techniques: survey, process, building a team, integrated group development. And stages of plan change, it comes to unfreezing, changing, and refreezing, right? And comes to resistant to change. Why is reason? Because the economic reason and also personal reason, organizational resistance, threat to this to power of influence and organizational composition, resource constraint, and cause of sinking. Okay, this is the first slide. And moving forward, this is the most important. How we can improve it. Okay, quality of workmanship, structural defects, all right, and conduct assessment, whether it's identify existing issues, implementing quality assurance and programs to entering codes and standards, finishing problems, right, review process, and materials address deficiency, enforcing strict quality control, providing training, supervising workers and suppliers, all right, and also address electrical and plumbing issues through assessment, right, and provide repairs and professional interventions for safety purpose. Enhance project management by improving scheduling and coordination, communication, and utilizing software to streamline workflows and making things more flow, right? And this is on the quality of workmanship. Next, moving forward, next slide. Talking about delay in construction is why maybe it could be weather related, and how to overcome it, develop a contingency plan, backup plan, monitor weather regularly, and also supply chain disruptions and diversity suppliers, and also not only open communication with the suppliers, so that we have a management strategies and timely purchase critical materials before it shortfalls. Address a labor shortage by delaying retaining skilled workers, right? And with a competitive package and benefits, so that we have a very high motivation, people to do the work, and implement health and safety protocols to minimize illnesses, so that there is less people taking a leave, right, during the critical time of construction. Next. Okay, safety concerns, talking about that, fall as it means assess of risk of like unprotected edges and where the area is elevated, recommended protection like safety nets and train workers to be more follow the SOPs and our protocols. Electric safety inspect all the system and equipments as for assets like exposed wiring, overloaded circuits, and properly grounded and installed. And the chemical exposures, we also protect that so that we have engineering wise control with proper system and provide them with the proper guidance, storage, handling, and disposable method and proper SOP to follow that. Okay, and also giving a proper training to them. And also in terms of reducing the cost, right? And anticipate material price fluctuation through market analysis and long-term contracts with them, maybe until the end of the contract or upcoming contracts. Alternatively, sourcing for the new things to get a bulk supplies so that we get a better discount rates and a better price. And also labor shortage and wage inflation. Develop a workforce planning strategic to address shortages. We do a planning stage, early stages, and also time set up to upgrade their skills, employee skills, so that more things become automated and become more flow and give a more returns and to the projects. Next. Okay, so on talking about employee, unsafe working condition, hire qualified safety officers to access accidents, review records, define types, to current control, and also propose some improvements, how we can improve certain things, and to elevate and heavy workloads, right? And consider hiring contract workers, discipline tasks, borrowing from other developers, so that the things become more speed and we got a lot of ideas. And poor communication, which also can be developed, can be avoided with a proper regular meeting and feedback with among the employees, and listen to their problems, listen to the current situation, and provide them immediate feedback, right? So this is how, as being a consultant, we can improve our things, right? So next slide. So now I'm giving the task to our next member in the team, Mr. Thanen.
Okay, thank you, sir. So good day, Prof. So my part is mainly focused on what would be the future trend of these problems. If plenitude neglects workmanship, delays, cost increases, accidents, and global factors, consequences could be dire. They risk customer loss, reputational damage, and contractual penalties. Inadequate handling of turnover and salary issues may exacerbate delays and staff loss, impacting profitability and future prospects. To mitigate, plenitude must promptly address these concerns, ensuring quality, timeline, and resources management for sustainability. Next. Okay, who are the most affected personnel caused by the problem? Mainly the adhere to the OB module, ethics and ethical behavior in organization. The last year annual report is commendable. An organization must prioritize employee welfare, truthfulness, non-discrimination, environmental responsibility as reinforced by personal experiences. And then next one is, what are the symptoms of the problems? Referring to the OB cognitive concepts, the relationship between personality and organizational behavior and perceptions, survey-derived symptoms indicate the potential drop in profit future year. Next. Okay, so next one is, what are the key OB concepts and theories are we mobilizing as significant to explore the solution that we have underlined? So there are 5 elements. The first one is organizational culture. Actually, it's analyzing plenitude's culture can foster a proactive environment. Concepts like Edgar's Skinner model can guide cultural improvement. The second one is leadership styles. Assessing plenitude, Berhard's leadership style can provide insights for effectively addressing and resolving issues. Okay, the third one is change management. This one is implementing solution for plenitude's issues may necessitate organizational change. Frameworks like Kotter's 8-step change model or Levin's change management model can facilitate this process. The fourth one is motivation and incentive. Understanding employee motivation and designing appropriate incentive can encourage proactive problem-solving behavior. Concepts such as Herzberg's two-factor theory or expectancy theory can inform strategies. So the last one is communication channels. Improving communication channels within the plenitude Berhad can enhance information flow and collaboration. Concepts, example like formal and informal communication networks can inform strategies. So next, I would like to pass to my group member, Mr. Naidu.
Okay, this is a conclusion arrived from our team members led by Kali. Since its inception, Plenitude Developers has demonstrated reliance and growth in the real estate sector between 2019 and 2023. Its annual report reflects both positive trends such as revenue growth, project completion, and market expansion, alongside challenges like material costs, delays, and economic uncertainties affecting profitability. Moving forward, Plenitude confronts a dynamic landscape filled with opportunities and threats. Utilizing technology and sustainability initiatives can boost its competitiveness, prioritizing stakeholders' relationship and employees' well-being will nurture success. Flexibility to adapt to evolving consumer preference is crucial for sustained growth. Looking ahead to the next decade, Plenitude anticipates expansion driven by urbanization, strategic investment in innovation, and talent acquisition are imperative. Collaboration with governmental bodies and active community engagement will further solidify its reputation. In summary, Plenitude is well positioned for growth, driven by proactive strategies and commitment to sustainability and stakeholders' engagement. That's our conclusion. Thank you very much, Prof, for giving us the opportunity.
We also attach the appendix when we upload the videos. And thank you. Leader, you want to say one or two words?
Yeah, right. So the most important part, I would say the improvement, right? Of course, I'm covering my part on that because the projects can be multi-level, level of profits, and also contribute to the, and contribute to the customers as a buyer. But in terms of as a consultant side, as if we are taken as them as a consultant, as we going through just now with the costing improvement, little improvement, that give a lot of good impact and good reputation for future business for them. So without in the future, without not much of the marketing, a project can be can give a double return and a lot of demand in their housing and also in their property projects. This is my personal opinion, right? Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Prof.
Thank
We
you.
hope for good marks also.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Bye. All right.